Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to the teaching. In this video we are going to learn how to create thumbnail for YouTube. Okay, let's get started. तो सिंपली आपको क्या करना है, ब्राउजर पे जाइए और टाइप करिए canva canva.com. Okay, so hit enter. Alright, so this page will be open. So ये पेज मैंने कल ही देखा है जब हमारे YouTube चैनल का थंबनेल क्रिएट कर रहा था. ठीक है, तो इसका है कि इसमें ट्रायल मेंबरशिप भी ले सकते हो. तो आज का इस वीडियो में हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि एक फ्री ट्रायल लेकर ट्राई करेंगे. तो इसको भी मुझे भी इतना सारा मालूम नहीं है इस चीज़ में. तो आज चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको. कैसे क्या है, इसके अंदर क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज़ है और इसके अंदर कैसे क्या एडिट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो क्रिएट डिजाइनिंग. So just let me click this one. So here they will offering some like for YouTube thumbnail, some like this all these things like Facebook cover and this desktop wallpaper, some graphs. So I need to select the YouTube thumbnail. Let me check. So this is for free or not? Yeah. So this is free. So what you have to do here? So just you have to create one template here. So now this white color template, you can see this is YouTube thumbnail size like 1080 into 720 pixel. Okay, so next what you have to just go to the upload. So here first you have to upload your image. Like this you can see it here. So before I have uploaded this my like YouTube channel logo and this is my photo. Okay, so यहाँ पर ये upload media. So just click this one. I'll go to my thumbnail folder. Let me select my photo. So this one. Okay, let me open it. Nice. Alright, let me open one more. So go to upload media. Just select this one. And yeah, this is fine. Alright, it okay. So it is uploading. Now you can see the progress bar is below. So yeah, the first one is done, second one is just uploading. So what you have to do, just first you have to select the template. So as you can see here, this is white color. So how I can change this color? Yeah, you can see this color bar is coming, right? So इसको भी मैं पहले बार यूज कर रहा हूँ. Let me select this as something like gray color. Yeah, it's fine. Otherwise I need to select more gray. That will be look good. Okay, fine. So right. So then I need to drag my image to here. Nice. I can adjust it here. Then I increase the size down. Okay, nice. So here I can put the logo. Like this is some image I have added here. Okay, nice. I can put it down. So here you can add text as well. Let me add one text. So this some of the text they are providing. So to check here, so I can put this one. So you can see this icon is for pro user. That means you have to take the membership. Then you can use this text. Okay. So you need to take one simple one. Just let me drag this one. So you have to delete first one. Okay, this is fine. Just decrease the size here. Okay, put it here. So what you can do, just Control A and I can change my text. I can put just caps lock. Tips to grow on YouTube. Right. I can change the font size as well. Just let me change. YOUTUBE. Okay, nice. You can select Control A, so all text will be selected. So here you can decrease the size. Let me decrease. I need to put in the single line, otherwise two line it will be fine, but Nice. Let me move it. You can put in single line. That will be fine. Let's bring it down. Yeah. Now this is looking good. Okay, let me down this icon little bit more. Okay. So this is fine. So what I can do it here, so I can put one more my logo here. Just one second. Let me connect. Okay, fine. So I need to go to the photos. So go to the upload. So here you can see all the images. So I need to put my logo here. Just make it small, make it down. Make it more small, make it down. This is fine. I need to put one more text here. So what I can do, just go to text panel. I can put this one. Yeah, nice. I can select all text, Control A. This is I can put 2021 edition. Nice. So this below line I can delete. That's this. Let me put it in single line. Nice. Just Control A. You can decrease the size of the text. The font size. Okay, fine. क्या करोगे, इसको ड्रैग करके हमको इधर लेना होगा, इसको जस्ट ड्रैग करके यहाँ तक ले आए. चलिए देखते हैं इसमें शैडो इफेक्ट आ सकता है कि नहीं. ओके, सो दिस इज द थंबनेल इज डन. What I can do it here, just I'll select this logo, otherwise I can select my image here. So I'll go to edit image. Let me check what all are options they are providing. So nothing more here. You can change the color, you can enhancement. Okay, this is not required. You can put shadow. Let me check this shadow is working or not. Let me use it. I think this is not working. So what I can do, I can check this drop shadow. Let me check it's working or not. Yeah, drop shadow is working fine. It's looking good. I can put here one more angle shadow. Let me check. Instead of angle shadow, I can put the drop shadow. That will be fine. It will look good. You can see it here. Let me decrease the size. Then I'll here. Select my image again. Go a little bit down. Nice. Here I can keep the picture size. I'll select my text. Let me check the effect. Whatever it is. Yeah, I can put shadow. This is not looking good. Shadow. Yeah, this is the shadow. So effect, I can change it here. So this is the shadow. I can change the color size to shadow size something this or something like gray or something like black. Yeah, that's also looking good. Then I can change the direction. The direction will be this side or something bit corners. Yeah, this is looking good. Nice. This text also I need to put some shadow. So here you can see the shadow effect. I'll just click this one. I'll increase the shadow. I'll change this color to something like this color. Okay, nice. Then what I can do, I can change the bit transparent. Nice. I think good. Here also I can change the transparent. That will be good. This is my logo. Here what I can do. So you can see this thumbnail is finished. तो ये हमारा थंबनेल फिनिश हो गया। अगर आप लोग उसमें और कुछ ऐड करना चाहते हो तो ऐड भी कर सकते हो। अगर हम देख सकते हैं कि ये हमारा फुल टेम्पलेट है, देखते हैं कि इसमें कुछ एनिमेशन लगा सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पर तो कोई एनिमेशन दिख नहीं रहा है। ओके, otherwise let me check if there is some vintage option is there or not. Okay, so what it can do, just put the photos. The upload. So let me select this full template. I have selected. So this, let me check what all are options they are providing there. So some paint option is there. Option is not required. So as you can see, my thumbnail is completed. What you can do it here, just one thing I have left it here. Just make it little bit up. Make it little bit up. This is make it some little bit bigger and put it plus. Okay, so finally this is done. You can use this Canva application for make your thumbnail, and if your thumbnail is good, means your thumbnail is looking good, that means the viewer like it can increase your video view. So thank you for watching this video guys, and please like and subscribe my channel. Please share to your friends. So bye bye, and